If we go back to the fundamentals, what do your customers expect? And they do expect a quality product at a reasonable price, lead time expectations that are also reasonable. You're not going to do that without the power of your entire team. You're going to need to get all of your workforce engaged. There's no way that you're going to be able to maximize that benefit unless you have them trained and skilled and able to practice and apply these tools and techniques. My name's Ed Martin. I'm the Vice President and General Manager of Custom Castings. We specialize in manufacturing aluminum parts using the permanent mold casting process. Once we got going on the 5S methodology, and that was working for us, one of the big things that we had to do was to transition from batch and queue manufacturing to more of a lean flow. Our inventory levels, we measure our inventory levels, they've dropped in half from prior to running batch and queue to lean flow. Our lead times have reduced by a week or 2 weeks, depending on how much processing is required. And our uptime has increased, I would say, 20 or 30% from implementing lean principles of single-minute exchange of dies. So how do we do quick changeovers? And training our people in those techniques through CME's help, and then letting them loose to say, okay, how do we apply that? How do we apply those techniques in our environment to reduce the amount of time it takes for us to change over from one job to the next? And it's been remarkably successful. Any manufacturing or lean training initiatives, it's the go-to source. There's really no other choice as far as I'm concerned. CME is synonymous with manufacturing. You need to be able to apply and practice the tools. So the lean training, as an example, we'll have a series of Kaizen events right within the program where you are learning by doing under the expert coaching. The leadership development program has that same idea where you'll have project that you are working on internally to apply those tools and techniques. You can't really, it's not going to stick if you're not practicing. So the way that CME, all of their training initiatives have that learn by doing element is a big part of why I believe they're such a successful program. The experience that they have with their facilitators or instructors, it's obvious that they have manufacturing backgrounds. The examples that they bring from their personal lives during those trainings are always relevant. But they're also very cautious and very careful to bring it out of you and make sure that you are, as the learner, are able to experience and practice it yourself in your work environment. And then they're there to support you every step of the way.